Hi, I'm Lou with another episode of My Car Story, and today we're in Milwaukee at the World of Wheels, and with that I met Tom. And Tom, how are you feeling today, Tom?
Absolutely fantastic.
Now, Tom's always fantastic, I find out. First of all, let's talk about the car for one moment before we go into fantastic. What kind of car did you bring today?
We've got my wife's 1966 Ford Fairlane XL.
Your wife's?
My wife's.
And you're cleaning it.
I'm cleaning it.
Very nice of you to do that. And she's working today, I understand.
She's working, yes.
Or she'd be here. Now, she didn't want a 67.
Nope.
Had to be a 66.
Correct.
And she said to you, let's build this car.
Right.
What wife does this? Nice job, Linda. So with that being said, now, Tom, let's go back to fantastic. Why are you fantastic?
You know, I've always had a fantastic attitude. I went through cancer treatment. I had prostate cancer. And going through the treatment and everything else, I always believed in having fun. I tease the girls and everything. You know, we like to do that, and you actually heal better. They heal faster, more positive. I've been cancer-free now for over 2 years.
So with that being said, we're having fun.
Yep.
We're feeling fantastic. Let's go right to the car. So with that being said, gives you a new lease on life, right?
Absolutely.
All right, come on right alongside me, and let's take a look at the wife's car. Well, that's not no SUV. And it's not just the fact that it's a Ford Fairlane, which could have been at the time considered a wife's car, but not with the 427 in it. So this is the XL was the upgrade, correct?
Yes.
So the XL badging that we have there is the upgrade. We're here on driving day, so it's a little bit loud. You get all the sounds of the car show. But I want to come back here and give you so this car is clearly modified, but still keeps a lot of the original cues. And with that much horsepower, you had to put different brakes on the front.
Correct.
How much, well, we'll talk about the engine in a minute. Let's just enjoy the beauty of this. I'll give you a little hint where we're going here. These back wheels and rims look really nice in there, don't they?
Yeah, they're the biggest, actually the biggest 70 series I could get, so it filled the wheel wells out a lot.
The Fairlane 500XL.
XL.
The back of the car says, I mean business, though, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
Definitely has that squared off. Look. Oh yeah, one more kind of angle this way, just to show you the roof line. Tom, come on with me now. How long did it take you to build this car for your wife?
It took about 2 years.
So, I mean, how does this happen? Does your wife just say to you one day, build me a car, or what's going on here?
I was actually going to be tubbing out one of my Buicks, and she says, before you do that, you have to build me a car.
That's what she said. So
I said, what kind of car do you want? And she says, I want a 1966 Ford Fairlane, vintage Burgundy, and she didn't care what color interior. Well, it should have been nice, but a black one like she's got. And it had to be a clean car. We didn't want to start out with anything junk.
Where'd you find this?
This we found in Polson, Montana.
How long ago was that?
That was in 2001.
Wow, let's take a look at this. So your wife's been driving this car since 2001. Do you ever ride along with her?
I actually do. Most of the time she tells me to drive because she says it doesn't look manly enough if I'm sitting in the passenger seat.
So she's supportive, she's charming, and she has a sweet tooth for muscle cars.
Absolutely.
You've just frustrated every guy on my channel.
Oh,
All right.
yeah.
Oh my gosh. I'm actually glad your wife's not here. I'd be trying to steal her from you. Oh my goodness. All right, so here we go. So I'm kidding, of course. We're going to have a fantastic day.
Absolutely.
Okay, all right. My wife's going. Don't send this to my wife's email or something. Let her know what I'm saying. She wanted a stick.
Yes, had to have the stick.
Had to have a stick. Is her father like a race car driver?
No.
How did this happen?
No, she just always loved cars.
Wow. Wow. 8% of my viewing audience is women. And she has this car. This is wonderful. This is just a straight get in and go car.
Yep.
There's no radio.
No, it's got a radio delete.
Oh my goodness. Does she mind that it doesn't have a radio?
It actually has a radio. It's called a secret radio.
It's called the engine, isn't it?
No, it's underneath the dash.
Oh, there is a
Inside,
radio.
It's a remote control one.
Okay, all right. So she does have a radio.
Yeah.
I thought you were going to tell me she listens to the engine sound.
Well, right now, that's all you're going to hear.
Let's take a look at that engine, speaking of what we're going to hear. So it's a hard top. This comes down.
Yep.
Wow. I really so desire her to be here. I'd love to see the look on her face when she starts this. Wow. That's not only a big engine, but it looks good, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
Well, let's fire this thing up.
And actually, we've got everything new to go on it. We got fuel injection this year and a new distributor. 'Cause it'll run better.
She wants it functional. Why not? Look at the... You just lit up the whole place. Holy cow.
Absolutely.
I can't imagine my wife coming up to me saying, I want this car, and then getting behind it and hearing that sound come out of it. What is your... I know you love her. I know it's your wife. I get all... What is the reaction from other guys when they see this happen?
Most of the time, they're jealous. You know, it's...
Like I am right now.
You know, we've been married 43 years.
Yeah, congratulations.
And it's, you know, people go, how do you do that? It's like, you know, you share. You know, I love working on the cars. I have basically a 2,500 square foot
it's easy
garage.
to share when your wife wants a car like this.
Yes.
This is not hard. This is not like, how do they stay together? This is, why would you not stay together?
Absolutely.
Wow. First of all, Tom, I'm happy about your health.
Thank you.
And I'm glad with the fantastic attitude. It's such a message that needs to be shared with other people who face that situation that appears tragic at first, and then you're sharing some of the answers to the healing is through prayer and through positive attitude. And I'm so happy to meet you, and what a wonderful story. I can't wait for your wife to see this video. And I just want to say, Linda, I'm so happy that you are who you are. Thank you, Tom.
Thank you.